friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is Your Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with this series on HTML. So in this lesson 9, we will see how can we display song on the web page. Okay. So for doing this, we have to use audio tag. Okay. So let me introduce first audio tag. So audio tag is used to embed sound content in a document such as music or other audio. So let's go to my Sublime Text Editor and let's first save the file. Okay, and let me first type HTML syntax. Let me give the title lesson 7 and let's use audio tag first. So this is a syntax of audio tag, and we have to use these sentence for looping the audio and for showing the controls. Okay, so this attribute is src. Src means source, so you have to specify the URL of that audio here, or you have to specify the path of that audio. And the text between audio tag will only be displayed in browsers such that do not support audio element. So which browser will not support the audio element, it will display the text whatever we write here. Okay, so here I will use this song. Okay, so this song is abuzada.mp3 song. So let me type here. So one attention for you that the HTML file and this MP3 file are in the same folder, so I do not have to specify this whole address. Okay, so let me type here abuzada.mp3 and let's first save it. Okay, and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the sound is in our web page. Okay, you can also add multiple sound here. You can also make table of the sounds. Okay, and there is one attribute named autoplay. So when you use this attribute, the song will automatically start in the browser. Okay, automatically. Now this is not start automatically. We have to play this song. Okay, so by this way you can do it. So let's use the autoplay attribute. So this is the autoplay attribute, and you have to type autoplay in the value. Okay, so I will type autoplay. Okay, so let's save these and let's refresh the web page. So as you can see, the sound has been started automatically. Okay, so you can use another audio like this, and this time I will use this link.mp3. Okay, so let me type here link.mp3 and let's save these. So as you can see, are in our web page. Okay, you can also use table, and you can use audio in the table. So let me show you. Let me use first table tag, and let me give the caption as a audio, and let me put it into the h2 tag. And let me remove this t head tag, and let me give the border as a 2. Okay, and let me put this audio into the first column. Let me remove this attribute. Okay, and let's create another table another column, sorry, and let me put it into here. Okay, so let's save this first. Okay, so as you can see, the table has been created. Okay, you can also put name here. Okay, so I will use another row. First name, song name is Babuzada, and second song name is Link. Okay, so let's save this and let's see the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, you can also put this text into center. Okay, so you can modify this code also. Okay, and by this way you can practice this code. It is enough for this audio tag. We'll meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.